with another video. So in today's video, I'm just going to be going over what I picked up at the nail supply store. I went today and I got a couple of goodies. It's really small, it's nothing big, so yeah, don't expect too much from out of this haul. But yeah, so basically I went to one of the local nail supply stores where I am currently located. So yeah, and I actually did pick up something for the giveaway. And pretty soon, once we get a little bit closer to 500, so probably when we hit about 300 subscribers, which we're only like, I think 44 subscribers away. So once we get to that point, then I'll go ahead and basically show you all what you all are going to be winning. But I don't know, I may want to add more and more as I keep going along, so who knows. But okay, so the first thing I got was, so I use these in nail school actually, and I just hadn't gotten one again. I normally use, it's a different one. It's actually the ones that are peelable, that you can peel them off, and it's like a metal piece. I don't have it with me, so I can't show you all. But yeah, so I got this one. We actually use this in nail school, and I found I really liked it for when I was doing pedicures. And I kind of just wanted to have one at my house, just like for me. So yeah, I picked this up for myself. But yes. Alright, and then also something that was really cool. So I use these when I do my Ready-Guana hands. But actually, one thing I like about the nail supply store that I went to today is they actually like are very nice, and they, each time you go, they always throw in something extra. Like sometimes it's glue, or it could be extra nail tips, or whatever it is. But I actually was needing some more of these because the last ones I bought from Acrylics. And like I said, you guys, I'm not going to buy from there again, but I am going to use up what I bought, so, you know, might as well. I'm not going to waste my money. But, yeah, but from here, I was like, that's really awesome. So now I have some more. So they gave me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. Yeah, they gave me 6, so that gives me 60 nail tips in total. And about 6 sets I can use it on. Alright, aside from that, I also got this little jar that says acetone on it. If you guys didn't know, whenever you're working in a salon, or, you know, if you're expecting first date board to come, you want to make sure everything you have is labeled, because they are going to be looking for that, so they know that you're able to keep track of your liquids. So, for example, I have a bottle that says acetone on it, so if I'm going to put in the acetone jar, right? And then I have a bottle that says, you know, nail liquids. I'm going to put it in my liquid jar. Those are just things you want to do, so that way, you know, State Board can't ding you on those sort of things if they do come, because you have labeled containers for any chemicals you're using. So definitely keep that in mind. Anytime you're taking some out of its original container, make sure you put it in a labeled bottle or container. All right. And like I said, I did pick up another thing for the giveaway. I'm not going to show you guys that yet, so you have to wait to see. But I also did get these little pedi packs that I do my feet at home. It's nothing against like the people who I work with right now, but I don't know, I'm very peculiar about my feet, because like I remember I had like this one horse. I let this girl do my pedicure in nail school, and yeah, I ended up on my, it's like the second toe, like right beside the big toe. Basically I ended up with a, like the polish, she did the polish, it like kind of like dug into my skin a little bit, and she was trying to like file it, and I kind of ended up with like almost like a, basically it was like an ingrown, like it hurt so bad, and it was like pussy, it was terrible. So I was like, yeah, never again. But I probably am going to try and go somewhere else, and I don't know, like, would you guys want me to document me like going and getting my nails done by like another professional in the industry? Because I'm thinking about doing that for my birthday, just to treat myself. Because I mean, don't get me wrong, I can do my nails myself and be perfectly happy with it, but I don't know, like sometimes it's nothing like just going and sitting down and having someone do your nails without you having to do it yourself. But I also know it's like a good marketing tip to, you know, do your own nails and wear your own work. But I don't know, sometimes I want to be pampered girl, and that's fine. So anyway, back to this. So I got these little petty in a box. It's called Coco Colada. I really like the ones from Morgan Taylor. These are not from Morgan Taylor. I haven't tried this brand out before. I think it's Voesh, or I don't know how to pronounce it. But I think yeah, so that's basically what this is. And it comes with the sea salt soak, a sugar scrub, mud mask, and massage butter. Basically the same way the Morgan Taylor looks. So I don't know, I'm excited to try it. Hopefully it smells really good. And yeah, we're gonna get it going. But this is a deluxe pedicure. Just remember, so a basic pedicure usually does not include a scrub. No, a basic pedicure does. It depends on, okay, it depends on where you are at. But for me, a basic pedicure includes a salt and a scrub, but a mask is not necessarily included, but I do include like a lotion and massage. So they usually pay more for a mask. If they want like a jelly or something like that, they're going to pay more for that. So I'm excited to try it on myself. Okay. And then lastly, I picked up these two colors from Glam and Glitz. So like I said, you guys, you can use a couple of different things, but I will say with Glam and Glitz, it's kind of hit or miss. You kind of have to find like a good color or like good colors. I'm going to try to use that, but I really didn't have any browns in my collection like this, and I want to get some. So the first color I have, it's this color, and it's in the shade Martha. This is from their color acrylic collection. Yeah, this is Martha. And at my place, I get these for $6. I know online they normally go for like $9, but at my nail supply store, they're only $6. So, yeah. And then this one, I got Espresso. And I will swatch them for you. I don't have my swatch sticks with me, but I'm going to go ahead and swatch them. But I think that's just so pretty. And like, I would love to see these two together on a set. Like, that's bomb. Right, let me see what I can do. Let me get out thingamabob. And it's going to be on blue paper towel because I don't have any white ones, unfortunately. So hopefully it'll look good still for you all. I'm sorry about that. It's number 14. It's my 12. Yes, here goes my number 12. Okay. Oh, also another thing. Whenever you put your brushes away, make sure you keep them in a closed container. I learned that recently after a state board visit. They want to see that, so make sure you do that. I mean, I didn't learn it recently. I mean, like I kind of already kept them in this, but I learned that I was actually doing it right. And well, if you're in North Carolina, that state board for North Carolina, I don't know if you're elsewhere, but they definitely want to see that. And I even have like, you know, that done. And they want to see like your bits are in a closed container. You know, even if you have like, you know, they don't want to see your implements just out, so put them in a pouch. If you have like a sterilizer that your salon may or may not have one, go ahead and utilize that and do a sterilization pouch. You can put, these are all implements, you know, your manicure brush, your nail clipper, your cuticle nippers, and then a cuticle pusher. These are all considered implements because they can be disinfected. But not all of them have like cuticle nippers, because I try to make some with and without, because not everybody needs their cuticles nipped. Some people do, some people don't. Okay, back to the swatching though. Let me just get this out here. All right, so I have a little paper towel. I'm sorry it's not more elegant than this, you guys. I don't know. I mean, I could use a nail tip. It was gonna be like so weird, but I'm just gonna use a nail tip, you guys, because I don't want to do that person. All right, so I'm just gonna use the zeros. I've never used zeros. No one's fingernails are that wide for the most part. I mean, there are people with their fingernails that wide, but most of my clients, no, it's not. So, yeah. All right. Okay, guys. All right. So first up, let's go ahead and do Martha. I feel like they could have named this like a different name, like something like with a brown, like, you know, like a, I don't know, like a chocolate something. I don't know. Y'all know, like some sort of food, but it's whatever. I guess it's easier to just use like names as opposed to like foods and stuff. So this is what it looks like. Now I'm just going to place it down. So first impressions, it's not too runny, I don't think, but we'll see. It's a very nice like brown. I like the brown. I'm not mad at it. The color payoff was pretty good as well. Like, it's a really nice little brown. Okay. Pleasantly surprised with this one. So, yeah, it's very nice. So, like I said, like I told you guys, like, you know, some of them, not all of them are bad. You really have to find ones that could be good and just kind of work with those. That's really what I suggest. And yeah, I think if you do that, you'll be good to go. So, okay. I'm not going to do the full now. I just want to kind of see how it works when you do like multiple beads and you work over top. Yeah, it blends really nicely. So I'm also using my Valentino nail liquid. I don't know if that had anything to do with it. Like if he just likes this nail liquid specifically, but yeah. I will say that as I'm like brushing, I am picking up a little bit of product, but I mean, that's another thing. Like, you see, I guess people tell you it's like a color's runny. That's sometimes what they mean as well. Like if it picks up on your brush really easy when you're trying to maneuver it, then that might be a problem. But this isn't too runny. Like it's not the worst I've seen from them. I honestly I can work with a runnier color over a chalky, like super dry color. But this isn't bad. And like I said, it's a colored acrylic. You're not gonna be wanting to build up like an apex with this. Really just doing it for the color payoff, so it's not that bad. And for $6, it wasn't that bad. So yeah, you guys, that's Martha. Martha speaks, okay, y'all. She speaks. She's speaking to me. She's speaking to y'all. She's speaking to all of us, sis. Okay. Martha said, "Don't underestimate her." So yes, there goes Martha. Really nice chocolatey brown. She's cute. She's doing things. Okay. All right, and then lastly, just gonna go ahead and swatch espresso. And like I said, this is from the Diamond acrylic collection. This is from that collection. Oof. You see that glitter on my hand already. It's gonna be a mess. Okay. I'm just trying to make sure I got all that color acrylic on my brush from the previous part. Because I was said about Glamour Glitz too, like their colors will get in your brush, and these are the like colors you really do need to clean your brush with, like right after using it each set, because if you don't, girl, your brush is done for. It's done for. All right, so let's see. Okay, so it's really pretty already. I like it. This is a pretty color. So, oh yeah, she is cute. I hope you all can see that good. I'm worried that you can't, but it's a really nice color. I'm really feeling it. Oops. My bad, y'all. Yeah, this is a really nice color. I like how they added like some silver and like gold and like dark brown and like bronzy kind of coppery gold. They definitely added some different color glitters in here, and I think that helps because even though you have silver in here, it doesn't necessarily look so silver. It looks more so like bronzy, like a bronze silver, as opposed to like just silver, because you have like, yeah, like, you know, you see like the little copper, you have gold, and then you have the silver right here, but it's not necessarily like a silver. I think that's so pretty. But yeah, I really think these two would be cute together on a set. Yeah, ooh yeah, it'd be so cute on a set. I could see that. I really could. And then you like some lighter nude you know, like a lighter nude 3D flower. That'd be so cute. Speaking of which, y'all, like, I've been working on my 3D flowers. So let me show y'all what I did, right? And then I'm gonna let y'all go because I've been up here entirely. I don't know. Yeah, I've been up here too long. It's already been 15 minutes. So I'm gonna show you guys what I did. Real quick. I did this. I was just playing around. And I think it turned out so cute. Don't mind these little caviars though. I would do like this is the AB crystal. I couldn't find like my regular ones. This is not caviar. This is the crystal pixie. But yeah, like I think that's so cute. I like how the 3D flowers came out. I've been working on it, y'all, so don't judge me too much. But yeah, I'm really happy that came out. So yep. But yeah, y'all, so I've just been practicing doing the different stuff and just, yeah, so anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. All right, bye.